your green fields and your lovely valleys, where with my true love I did often roam, and fondly told her that I ne'er would leave her. Hey, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. Just a quick one today, a potato update video. These are the ones in the open ground that I planted first. This one is in the coldest, darkest spot of the garden, so that's struggling. The ones over there are in the, as you can see, this side is generally getting a little bit more light than this side, but that's how it goes. They'll all kind of come through at the same time. These might have a smaller crop, but that's alright. Now, over here, store-bought ones, the Gemson, with the fully loaded, which is now dropped down tub with top with leaves. They're coming along the best. And then I might earth that up again, take the leaves out and then earth it up, like it's kind of just sank a little bit, even though it was filled more or less. And the ones that were kind of half filled and saved from last year, like the ones planted in the open ground, Charlotte is the variety. And they were struggling at first, but they finally decided to start growing. They're still far behind those ones, but they're doing well. I'll earth those up as well now, all the way up to the top, as with those. And they've been well watered. They got like, those ones got a lot of rainwater. They were outside, and these ones were in the back of the greenhouse, as you might remember, for a while. So I finally brought them out, and they've been doing better out here. It was a little too warm in that thing, as you can imagine, and they definitely benefit from the rainwater. So they haven't had much now because it's been fucking roasting the past 2 weeks. So I've been having to do that manually. So they're racing ahead anyway. I'm happy to see the store-bought ones are doing well, and they're not looking diseased. They're actually looking very healthy for now anyway. That's my short little spud update video. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, take care. Salam.